Owning a car is more than just a luxury, it's a responsibility. To ensure a smooth and reliable driving experience, regular car servicing is essential. Proper maintenance not only extends the life of your vehicle but also enhances safety, performance, and fuel efficiency. In this video, we'll cover the key aspects of car servicing and why it's crucial for every car owner. The importance of regular car servicing. Car servicing is not just about fixing problems when they arise, it's about preventing issues before they happen. Routine checkups help identify potential faults, allowing mechanics to address them before they turn into costly repairs. Regular servicing improves fuel efficiency, ensures a smoother drive, and significantly enhances the overall lifespan of your vehicle. Essential car service checks. A standard car service involves several key inspections and maintenance tasks. The engine oil and filter must be replaced to keep the engine running smoothly. Brake fluid, coolant, and transmission fluid levels are checked and refilled if needed. The battery is inspected to ensure it's charging correctly, while the lights, wipers, and air conditioning system are also examined for optimal performance. Tire pressure and tread depth are assessed to ensure safety on the road. Each of these steps plays a vital role in maintaining the reliability of your car. Signs that your car needs immediate servicing. Even if you follow a regular service schedule, there are times when your car might need immediate attention. Warning signs include unusual noises, difficulty in starting the engine, excessive exhaust smoke, or sudden drops in fuel efficiency. If you notice vibrations while driving, delayed braking response, or dashboard warning lights turning on, these could indicate serious issues that require prompt professional inspection. The role of engine oil in car maintenance. Engine oil is the lifeblood of your car's engine. It lubricates the moving parts, reduces friction, and helps dissipate heat. Over time, oil breaks down and collects dirt, which can lead to engine wear and tire. That's why changing the oil at recommended intervals is one of the most important aspects of car servicing. Clean oil ensures smoother engine performance and prevents costly repairs down the line. Brake system maintenance. Brakes are one of the most crucial safety components in any vehicle. Over time, brake pads wear out, and brake fluid can become contaminated. Regular servicing ensures that the brake system is in top condition. Mechanics check for worn-out brake pads, inspect the discs for any damage, and replace the brake fluid if necessary. A well-maintained braking system enhances driving safety and prevents accidents. Battery health and electrical systems. A weak battery can leave you stranded at the most inconvenient times. During servicing, the battery is tested for charge capacity and overall condition. Electrical systems, including headlights, indicators, and dashboard lights, are also inspected. Ensuring these components are working properly enhances visibility and safety while driving, especially at night or in bad weather conditions. Tire care and wheel alignment. Tires are the only part of your car that makes direct contact with the road. Worn-out tires can affect grip and stability, increasing the risk of accidents. Regular tire rotation, checking for proper inflation, and ensuring correct wheel alignment help improve fuel efficiency and extend tire lifespan. Properly maintained tires provide better traction, especially in challenging driving conditions. Benefits of professional car servicing. While some car maintenance tasks can be done at home, professional servicing offers a more thorough inspection. Certified mechanics use advanced diagnostic tools to detect hidden issues that might not be visible during a basic checkup. Professional servicing ensures that manufacturer guidelines are followed, helping maintain your car's warranty and resale value. Final thoughts. Regular car servicing is an investment in safety, reliability, and long-term performance. Ignoring maintenance can lead to unexpected breakdowns and costly repairs. By staying on top of routine service checks, you ensure that your vehicle runs efficiently, providing a smooth and safe driving experience for years to come. Keep your car in top condition, and enjoy the road ahead. Your script is ready. It covers all the essential aspects of car servicing in a structured format. Let me know if you need any modifications or additions.